Hello, through this video you will be learning important information about the law of attraction. According to a study made in 2008, found that there are evidence that the law of attraction exists since the ancient Egypt and Babylon. Mystical thoughts are written in the holy books. Secret societies like the Rose Cross were aware of all the mysteries and laws. As you can see, this is real and powerful. All human beings need to start to believe in this law and be aligned with this universal law in order to have a better planet. There is a psychological way of thinking in order to attract what is desired in one's life. And it is about being aware of our thoughts, controlling our minds, trying to be always thinking, speaking, and acting with our conscious mind, not with our subconscious mind. As I told you in the first part of this video, the law of attraction works with different forms of energy, and energy cannot be destroyed. Electrons, atoms, orbits, and all kinds of energy, all these energy levels is what makes the law of attraction works. When it comes to vibration, if atoms are aligned, they create a force. This energy pulled together in the same direction, producing the same results, like metals can magnetize. Unfortunately, there are a lot of people who don't believe in this law, or who believe but don't try hard to be aligned with this law. And that is why the world is the way it is, because we are a universal mind and we create our reality. And this is simple, the laws of nature, that every atom in and around the human body is in constant response. There is a direct and unique relationship between our thoughts, feelings, energy, and the world. According to the neuroscience Greg Branden, the achievement of the law of attraction has a link to quantum physics. That means that it depends on how we view our outside world and with our limiting beliefs that we have about outcome of success. The universe is made up of energy. We are energy. This energy is constantly moving and changing. To make the law of attraction to work on our favor, all of us must move and change our limited belief system to meet our dreams, just like energy meet the universe. When we shift our beliefs, the divine translate that change in our reality. If you didn't activate the notifications yet, please do it right now, because in my next video will be the third part of this amazing topic. I will be sharing with you another 2 universal laws that works together with the law of attraction in order to make it works on our favor 100% effective. Thank you so much for watching this video and making this world a better world. Subscribe, share, comment, and thumbs up. Until next time, universal blessings.